cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord that made heaven and earth. He said, He will not suffer thy foot to be moved. The Lord that keepeth thee, He will not slumber nor sleep. For the Lord is thy keeper, the Lord is thy shade upon thy right hand, upon thy right hand. For the sun shall not smite thee by day, nor the moon by night. He shall preserve thy soul, even forevermore. Oh, my help, my help, all of my help cometh from the lift up mine eyes to the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord,